It's ancient? Yeah, the last go walking? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, give me the focus there.
Of the canoe. Say it with me.
The canoe.
Right? Don't come too close to the camera because you know we don't want to spread the coronavirus. And mainly because some of y'all, you know, all their brothers be stinking and thing inside here, but we wouldn't get into that. What I'm saying is this is the new innovationing of the lives. The lives and the canoe. For the rest of this episode, you will not use the. Everything is the. So cut off the live and get into the recap.
Buscalele.
Pull more, pull man. Just pull it. I go pull it. You just pull. Pull the corner, boy. Oh, you see, watch how you have the place looking scrappy, scrappy, scrappy. No, dog. That is why I tell you how to put it in. The girl them say too rough.
I don't know about that because I saw it for about 8 months now.
That's why I saw it in, it's too rough.
No. The next reason why I'm going back. That's that.
How you know he too rough?
I don't know this. I don't tell you the girl them say he too rough.
Wow.
Oh, how I know he too rough. I don't tell you the girl them say.
Oh, so you and he talk to the same girl?
Yeah. And we talk to the same girl?
Yeah.
There's no beast boy in this location today. We suspect that he may have contracted the COVID-19. We're not quite sure, but we are taking precautionary measures. So he will be logging in from home. We are dead from hunger if we don't return acting.
And I just cook, dog.
Cook what?
Maybe pilau.
No, you would not have not.
We didn't want to risk our lives today.
You don't have COVID out there already.
Wow!
That's bad enough.
We struggling enough and suffering enough.
You can make me look a little good for the YouTube, man. Sign.
Yeah, all my hard work.
I enough for it. Just do that again.
The canoe! You put it here.
Oh, wait here.
Or you put it on top there. Anyone?
When he come, you go ask him that, right?
Oh, the vision so good. You see how strong Joshua's glasses is? You sure you can see from so
I
far?
can see it, so there behave yourself.
Hey!
So I've been finally reached. So we can get some food. These fellas staff whole day I had to cook some bun curry for them.
There you go on the boat.
What's that?
Who started this live? Huh?
I started this live.
Who DJs?
I tell you, everyone funny here, though. Everyone funny here, though.
Let me see how I know. You could DJ Joshua.
Where do you hear
Lock up the
A breakout thing, you know? See why we was not put in TV where, you know?
Just in case you think just to move it and show them.
My bad.
Come back from you wrong now.
Alright.
If you just sting it and if it come out of focus, I don't know why it not come out of focus now. Why not doing? Alright. You see there? Once you see that you just kinda not pressing it, you just kinda tilting it down.
Tapping. You think Joshua capable?
I'm big on your upsets.
Ready?
No.
Ready? It's 1 minute 8.
Three, two, one.
Yeah?
Checking connection, hold on.
And we are live. Get your cooler ready. What you have inside it? What stuff you carrying? How are you drinking?
What is Shady Live?
Like a solid board. I will put the canoe on it and I will use many videos. And every time we do it, we the front of the army with the canoe.
Apeng, where the food boy?
Hey, I forget to put that man on the list for Jahan. I forget to put him on the list. Link him now. What? I'll give him a +2. You got to spend your money by hand up by the way. The ATM right up, you're going to get 200 and come back then. Yeah.
That get 200 and come back. Because what people you are alone.
In the case of water, careful. You leave it to the car, boy. Oh gosh. Ah, drink punch.
Go trip, eh? You got to go in the gym and looking like a struggling with the water.
I strong full of people out there.
You remember in 2011 I sing Asuka?
Yeah.
Big man thing. Well, I didn't get a lot of the boat come over.
I never heard that soca before.
Anyone here know?
It's my fanny.
That water like,
What's that?
I say up that water like that, say this. Yeah, ladies, watch it. What she love here.
Oh, in 2011 I
Hey,
didn't
that
know
probably
why
a COVID on
you
you,
said.
Go lick it.
So they don't laugh at the suka. Oh, they don't laugh at the suka. Oh, they don't laugh.
Yeah. Leave on the blackberry, don't bring the blackberry.
Hey, what's the suka? What's the suka? Hey, what do you do about you, boy? This time the blackberry playing hard. Hey, when you're in the party, take off your blackberry. Remember this one. Remember this tune, man. Hey, when you're in the party, take off your blackberry. When you're lying with me. How does go? She does make it go. Hey, she does make it go. Yes, no, that is it. If you want to hear the rest, get up on YouTube. Make she go pig, right? By what? With love tonight, I say when you just up whining on, hey. I give it some, get a rest tonight.
What that really having?
study that.
Absolute what? Absolute water?
Absolute water.
I only wine out from P and Mama Birds tonight. Only Mama Birds.
You ever wine on a heavy tea before?
Only Mama Birds.
You ever wine on a heavy tea before? Ever wine on a heavy tea before?
All the time.
Show me how it is, go.
Gotta grab it slow. And I have a
What's that?
Oh, I supposed to play after that. Oh, I supposed wait.
He's setting you up for the kill.
It's not about what he paid. It's how he paid. I can't play like that. I had to bring down the feet and bring it back in. I can't play like that.
You don't play music then. Yeah, watch the BPM there, man. Watch it.
That's when. That's when. They say you're looking nervous here, boy.
I don't understand.
So let's go from 107 and to 120 something.
125. Yeah, but that's your panic.
You do it twice, boy. You panic twice. You know what panic?
Go buy one problem for one.
Organize yourself. Right.
Para Buffia. I think Joshua looks like he's calling for help. He looking desperate. Rango to the rescue.
Patron, it's morning time. If you are outside, low. DJ, hello. If you are outside, please come onto the boat right now. We are getting ready to board. All right, this is the Canoe, the boat ride. All right, the DJs are here. They're ready. All right, we got about 18 minutes again. We are leaving exactly at 9 o'clock p.m. Okay. All right, DJ, please give us some music so we can bring all our drinks and everything up onto the boat ride in the meantime. Thank you.
Joshua, everything okay?
No, it's not okay.
It's not okay? Don't worry, it will be okay.
We have been fun with it. No knife, no gun with it.
Yeah? Chef Apping. Yeah? No longer I'm hungry? Proper food. Proper thing, man. You don't need no woman. Huh?
4 minutes again.
Good man to have.
4 minutes again, and we will
Ladies.
sing. All right. DJ, please play the disclaimer.
Is it this thing?
We have been functioning for 7 proud years. Just a couple of safety precautions. Please do not sit on the railings while the boat is in motion. In case of emergency, stay calm and please wait on the captain and crew to assist you to the lifeboats. No smoking will be allowed while inside the cabin. If you are to smoke, please go to the smoking areas. For bookings, call 868 Canoe to enjoy your experience, and we hope to see you again. Yeah. Give us some effects now, DJ. Wow.
Rebel Rango. You're in the mix with Rebel Rango.
Hey, you know they cut me? I don't know, baby, or some sugar. We gotta go back like, wait!
Wow, since when? But when they cut you?
Yes, now. I gotta read over that disclaimer.
Yeah, do it over.
Yeah.
Technical difficulty.
They're fighting me hard, boy. King's here, Jeremy. Come in. We get ready to sail. We get ready to sail. Come in.
Them fellas belly full now. How the pale out is?
Wicked.
Huh? Let's see. Wait, that's alright.
Try to push it up and now working. We're going in a fat.
Let me see yours wrong. Yeah.
I call this boy Julia's son.
Proper thing.
Now, when you ready now? Right now what's happening is, well, the live is actually from 8 to 12, right? But the name of the live is the Canoe. We kind of have something, it's like a boat ride kind of theme, right? So normally a boat ride will sail for like 3 hours in Trinidad, right? So from 8 to 9 was boarding time, as you would have seen earlier in the vlog when I was there, you know, playing music, over the live, then 9 we were set sail. What is actually happening here is we have restrictions in our country where no more than 5 people should be in a space at a point in time. So there's actually 4 of us here. We organized the live from this side, and what we had was we had a Beast Boy come home on his side, he joined the live. So right now he's playing. So you can see right now our things in the back, he's setting up there because he's going to close the live. And you know, we just here making sure everything is on point, we controlling it. And yeah, I know it's some pale out, pull some tail side. It was amazing. And yeah, it's busting right through.
And here we have Joshua. Joshua, what are you doing, boy?
Taking a smoke break. That boat ride intense. So we just come out on the up deck to take a break, a smoke break. Yeah. You can get all our moves all at once. And I really wish it had no restrictions because we do it a boat ride right now. We'll come back to get their moves just now on the boat. Then I go back downstairs.
You remember the first boat ride you attended?
Oh! The first boat ride the first boat ride I went, sadly, was with my parents. I went with my parents on our boat ride. It was real vibes though. And then Maisel take me on my next boat ride. That boat ride with Maisel was real bad. But then, the most epic boat ride I went on was when we and the Buscalele team went on Drinks and Happiness. That was an epic boat ride. Yeah, I can't wait for boat rides to come back. If all you can't wait for boat rides to come back, share this video. Share.
So, what is the first boat ride Buscalele ever had?
We actually only had one boat ride, which was the second big boat. She was 2019.
How it was?
Oh, events be amazing. Like, we're asking. I don't know.
Huh? You don't know what's the first boat ride you ever went to?
When way too much time remember the first, to be honest.
How much boat ride you feel you ever went in your life?
3, 4, 500, I don't know.
What was the most memorable one?
Most memorable boat ride. Obviously, 1 Gino. 2, I feel it'll be a day 1. Drinks and happiness was our vibes too. That was boat ride.
See what I tell you? See what I tell you?
Right now, Rango's setting up for the TikTokers.
Canoe.
So, now Honeybee decide to join the live. You know? I'm not having that one. You know? What you doing there?
You got a pig.
Beast Boy going now.
Yeah, a pig alongside
Rango and Apping taking over.
Everything shady.
Bye bye, Beast Boy.
Final on the boat. Run through.
Having some technical difficulties. We can't hear anything on the live right now.
I think so.
Rango and Purple trying to fix it. Can't figure out what the problem is. That must be a woman.
Oh no, stop it. Nothing still. Nothing still. They say like that when the comments going up. I hear nothing.
Talk to man, talk to man.
Silence.
How many say yes, girl?
So we said it in live? We said it live?
Yeah, I think so.
So we're about to reset the live because we can't hear anything. Or the people on the live can't hear anything right now. So we're back on live now. We're about to see if you all can hear us.
Yeah, we're back live. We're live. I can't check and see if it's out there.
Hold on. Just get together. Be alright.
Yeah.
Here now.
Yeah.
We apologize for the technical difficulties, right?
So audio back up.
Shady live.
Earlier on had a fridge full of classic cola. Now it has like 4 classic cola remaining. Tune boys. Right now, Joshua wants to get EP from Tobago.
I want to go to Tobago right now. Tobago.
Watch these fools. Watch these fools.
Pull up. Let me jump something and reach again. Anything, keep the rhythm right there. Let me say anything, keep the rhythm right there. DJ acting, sunny day, get up, clouds away. On my way to where the earth is free. Can you tell me how to pull up? Jump, hey, jump, hey. Please look at Ashi. Pull us some right up.
Can't see your knees. My knees look fine.
Just get my knees full, eh?
Well, again, more than any pal. Oh gosh, better you put away that foot, boy. Better you put away that foot. Mine here, you know, focus, you know, you have a little struggles there, you know.
Your knees look at Ashi. And your knees can be hotter than your soul. They can say, go use some lotion. Say, use it in right now. Say, it's a simple rubbing motion. Miss Buscalele. No, I know what you're talking to you. Leave it, let it hang out right there like it just so, yes.
Right now in the last 20 minutes for the live over.
From now on we call it the boom boom. The boom boom.
Joshua, what are you doing when the live done?
Anytime you see it extra fluffy, we call it the boom boom.
Relaxing right now, because right now that feel out. I know we keep talking about that feel out now. That feel out very heavy. That feel out very heavy. Right now it's the last 20 minutes and I'm not going to get any steam.
Real steam. Shake it, shake.
Like your old uncle and son.
Joshua, how them comments have you feeling right now, boy?
These comments have me feeling real nice. These comments.
This is the farmer wine. Wheat in the tail. Corn in the tail. Arrows in the tail. And yam in the yam. Yam in the yam. Yam in the yam. Yam in the yam. That is scoop. That is scoop. That is scoop.
Oh yeah, let's fill the pot.
Oh, that is the ring.
But that's alright, yeah, cause I'm lost in the
See you again next year. On an actual boat.
almost done.
Thanks to each and everyone who has supported and viewed the lives. Look out for the next one. Don't forget, each and every Wednesday at 7 p.m. we release our video on Buscalele's YouTube, alright? Make sure to subscribe, follow us on social media. Say bye now, please. Bye now.
And don't forget, it's Buscalele
Right.
right here.
So the live has ended.
Live
Joshua,
done. I'm sweaty.
time to wrap up, fellas.
Yeah, that's right. So this was the Canoe. The Canoe. And as you can see, we just ended the live. Is it shared? Is it shared? Is it shared? Yeah, that's right. We got it right there. We got it right there. Alright, thanks again for watching us. We had to clean up all this now. The payload was really, really amazing. Big up to Apping. Big up to Apping. Same way. Big up to Keita. Big up to Justine.
Big up to me.
Yeah. Thanks again for watching. Make sure and tune in because you know if you follow us as in the next Wednesday, 7 p.m. another Buscalele video. And make sure and subscribe. You know why? Because Buscalele right here.
Fella, going to smoke. You see?
Go forward the camera now.
No.
Forward the camera now.
No.
You get hot with it now.
Yeah. Yeah.